Y'all come on in. We're just getting started here. I'm just waiting for a couple more people to hop in and we'll get started. Today we're going to be working on a 1988 quarter, and we're going to make this into a size 10 ring. I think it's going to come out pretty good. Alright, if you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen real quick, that lets TikTok know you like what you're seeing, and we'll go ahead and get started. Or if you want to get a coin ring from me, you can visit coinringmaker.com. You can also tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen, or just visit the link in my profile. Alright, the first thing we got to do is punch a hole right in the middle of this. That's where this tool comes in handy. It's got a cone shape at the top, so that's going to self-center our coin. Y'all tap that screen. We got 3 likes. Come on now, let's get it up to 100 at least. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna hammer this on through here. Nice and easy. There is our coin. Knock that off there. Right into the bowl. Fantastic. Now if you look at the inside of our coin, you can see it's a little rough. There's actually a bit of raised metal this time. So we're going to use our deburring tool to clean that up. Make sure it's nice and smooth. This is kind of the slow boring part. So let's see if we can get it to 1,000 likes. Y'all are doing pretty good. It's 785 right now. Heck yeah. If you haven't hit that follow button yet, it's there waiting for you. Ain't nobody else gonna do it for you. Something you gotta do yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you want to check out the store, tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Now you can see it's nice and smooth. I'll hop over here to the arbor press. And start making it look like a ring. 1,500 likes on this live. Y'all are crushing it. Thank you very much. No, this one is copper clad, but I do work on 90% silver and fine silver. This one just happens to be copper. There we go. Looking pretty good. We're gonna sand this cut edge real quick. Okay. 2,200 likes. Let's go. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. I do appreciate it. I'm just gonna stretch this out a bit. got it nice and stretched out. So I use this thing. This is called a ring stretcher. It's just really hard to film, but as I pull this handle up, it pushes this spike out, which pushes these splines out, and put your ring on there like that, and it just stretches it out. And I like to stretch them one size above the target, because you can see it's still got a little bit of a cone shape to it. So we're going to reduce this wider side now down to our target size, which is a size 10. So I can make them bigger and smaller. Got a pretty decent range, I think. Almost. $4,800 likes. Let's go. Somebody's tapping the crap out of that screen. I've been making rings for about 3 years. Pretty much as soon as everything shut down, I was stuck inside, I started doing this. There is our 1988 quarter coin ring. It'll take a little bit to polish it up, but it is to size. Using the app for tapping. Well, I appreciate it. You're killing it. Now we're just going to use a little bit of steel wool. This is 40 steel wool, super fine. And we're just going to knock away that top layer of residue. It's going to help shine it up quite a bit. Get the inside. And there we go. I am going to do some more polishing on this one before I send it out, but I've got a few more rings to work on, so we're just going to set this aside for now, and I'm just going to polish everything all at once. We'll move on to our next one, which is a 1971. Nice. So yeah. Yeah, you can just Google the year range for the Walking Liberty coin. Walking Liberty $50 year range, and it'll tell you. I know I've done some from 42. I'm pretty sure there's 45. I don't know if they go all the way up to 50 though. I think 50 might be Franklin $50. But 45 I'm pretty sure is Walking Liberty. The clunking noise is my ring stretcher. That's this machine right here. It's just really difficult to film it. Need to get some kind of camera mount set up so y'all can see it a little better. But every time I try and film it, my phone falls over. So for today, I've given up on filming that. Silly machine. It's the same as my username, coinringmaker.com. You can also go to buycoinrings.com. That'll take you right to my store. Or you can tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen, go to the link in my profile. My website's also my username, if you ever forget. There we go. 1971, size 8.5. And here's the other one we finished earlier today. 1988, size 10. Cool little quarter coin rings. Yeah, I've been back and forth. Like, you can see my viewer count right now. It's like 13, and I appreciate y'all watching, but it seems like I'm getting more traction with just posting videos at the moment instead of going live. I still wanted to go live for a little bit today just to try it out, but yeah, it seems like just posting videos of making rings is working a little better at the moment. I don't know. I can never keep track with what TikTok wants me to do. My lives used to be banging, and now they're just kind of just chill. Like, I still like doing them, but it seems like at about, I don't know, the 20-minute mark, just everybody drops out. And TikTok doesn't bring anybody back. So I'm just going to go make some videos instead. Y'all have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Peace.